Hello everyone, it's me, Rudy Purpose. Just came from NBI. We have a good news. We already have our NBI clearance and police clearance, so it's a good day. We're going home, but we're gonna walk. So we're gonna pass by here in SM, going down to, we're gonna go back to Camp Allen. So it's just 9 o'clock. SM Baguio still closed. Happy Panagbenga 2026. We're going back down to SM now. The car parking is now open. They're opening it so cars can go park here in SM. But still, the mall is still closed. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It will open 10 o'clock. We're already here in Session Road. Look at this Lopez building. So we are already here in Malcolm Square. It's Maharlika. Welcome to Baguio City Public Market. We're going up there, we're going home. Okay, we are here in Maharlika. We're just gonna see if there's barbecue. Oh, there.
Pabili nyo next nandito na.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Dalawa. Ano anin? Kurang.
150. Easy na lang ate.
Munggo. Okay, we're going up. This is steep climb again. We're going home. Oh, look at that motorcycle go. So good news, I already have my police clearance. I just got my NBI clearance, and we're set to find new job. Thank you for joining. More blessings to all of us. Okay, we're already up. We're going home. We're gonna go out later again. Thank you. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi.